Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nest Wi-Fi Pro Mesh Network, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Nest Wi-Fi Pro device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and your modem is ready. Connect the Nest Wi-Fi Pro router to your modem using the included Ethernet cable. Plug the router into a power outlet. Wait for the light on the router to turn solid white. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Setup Device, then choose New Devices. The app will search for nearby devices. Once it finds the Nest Wi-Fi Pro, select it to connect. Follow the prompts to connect the router to your Wi-Fi network. Set up a network name and password for your new Wi-Fi. Once you've entered the details, tap Save. Next, choose the location of your router to optimize the network setup. If you have additional Nest Wi-Fi Pro points, plug them in and wait for the light to turn solid white. Repeat the setup process in the Google Home app for each additional point. After all units have been set up, test your network by connecting devices. Ensure the Wi-Fi coverage is optimal in your home. Adjust the placements of the points if needed for better performance. Congratulations, your Nest Wi-Fi Pro Mesh Network is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.